How to apply for a Medicare card in Australia. So here's how we do it. Just go search for apply Medicare card Australia, and you will click on the first link that pops up here, enrolling in Medicare. Now you can find all of the necessary information on this website, such as how to enroll. If we click on how to enroll, it's directly going to take us to this section of the article. Now you can enroll in Medicare either online through MyGov, which is this website, which we can click on, or by completing a Medicare enrollment form. So here, if I click on enroll in or sign into my government account, it's going to ask you to sign in or create a new account, and you can just apply for Medicare through this website. However, you can also do it with a form. So if you can't enroll online, you can complete a Medicare enrollment form. You can mail it or email it with your supporting documents to this email address. If I click on it, it's going to show me the email address. I'm just going to go back and show you the rest. If you email us, include Medicare enrollment in the email subject line. And your documents need to be in PDF, JPEG, PNG, GIF, or BMP, not password protected, no larger than 5 megabytes, no larger than 10 megabytes in total. And you can read the rest of the information here. But basically, those are the two ways of how you can apply for a Medicare card in Australia. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.